Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOVN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. It served its purpose for now, but after today's price movement, the big update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that 51-cent mark was an area of support. And then unfortunately, late afternoon, the bears finally were able to press down below there. So I'm not saying the price can never, ever get back above it. My point here is that if there is any sort of attempted, consolidation and then eventual move back to the upside, that first big test of any sort of bounce to, like I said, literally test how strong or weak the bounce is well, can the price get back up above that 51-cent mark? So keep a close eye on that. Like I said, in the event the price does try to turn itself back around. And I bring all that up because, to be fair, in the very near term, in a very small trend perspective, there was a little upwards move here. But again, does that really mean anything? We'll have to see what happens. But again, a good test of whether or not that means anything is how does the price react if it can get up to the 51-cent mark. Now, on the flip side of things, maybe this doesn't mean much and the price starts to pull back down. So the next key overarching level of support to keep a very close eye on would be down here at the 45-cent mark. And 45 cents is just coming from this previous time the price got down around that area. You can see quite a bit of buyers showed up right there. So keep a close eye on 45 cents. In the event, like I said, this little miniature bounce turns out to be a fake bounce and goes back down. But like I said, if it's not a fake bounce and it continues to bounce, then once more, that's where that 51-cent mark will be become very helpful in engaging just how strong any sort of bounce actually is. But overall, yeah, rough day today, but we'll have to see how things close out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.